GroundX APIs help you build a kind of AI architecture called Retrieval Augmented Generation. And rather than several thousand lines of code, you can do it in just a few API calls. And there's tons of hallucination suppression technology built right into those APIs. You don't have to write a single extra line of code to start producing hallucination-free RAG applications with the GroundX APIs. But let me explain for a minute what RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation, really is. It's an AI architecture where a large language model is used as the brains of the application. And your data is stored in a private, secure, encrypted database that you trust. That's the memory of the application. So when a user asks a question, what happens is a sophisticated search is done on your data, again, stored in a private, encrypted location you trust, in a cloud you trust. User asks a question, a sophisticated search is done of your data. You then send the question and the answer blocks to a large language model, like OpenAI or someone else, and you say, hey, language model, answer this question, but don't use what's in your memory that you scraped from the web in 2021. God knows what's in there. Only use the memory banks I just gave you from this corporation or institution or organization's private knowledge base. Return an answer based on that. That's the core of Retrieval Augmented Generation. It's becoming, we think, the dominant format for building AI applications in the corporate environment, and it has a lot of advantages over other methods of building these apps. It is thousands of times cheaper and faster and more flexible than building your own model or even fine-tuning your own model. Because at the core, what you have is a database of knowledge that you can easily pull from your company. You have a database of knowledge that you can update in real time. You can't do that if you build a model. And really importantly, you can create data governance and security at the document and user level. That's also not possible with building your own model or fine-tuning your own model. If you think about it, we're about to enter in a situation where there's two people in a company. There's Jane and there's Bob. Now, Jane, she's the CEO. She might have rights to security privileges to 100% of an answer. That is, the AI can search any file in the system and synthesize an answer from it. Now, Bob maybe works in facilities, and Bob only has rights to a portion of an answer, even if they ask the same question. Bob might have a right to a certain set of files to synthesize that answer. So you need data governance. You need to be able to control how the AI produces that answer and what information is valid for Jane and for Bob. You can do it with RAG. You can't do it with building your own model or fine-tuning your own model. So we think actually RAG applications are going to be the predominant method by which companies build AI applications with their data. And that's why we build GroundX from the ground up, to make it easy to build RAG applications with a tool set built specifically for RAG from day one. These are not tools borrowed from other technologies. We've built them from the ground up, hence GroundX, to build AI applications grounded in the truth of your data, to build them simple, secure, and accurate, hallucination-free.